full season. Nothing to show but this brand new tattoo. But it's a real beauty, a Mexican cutie. How it got here, I haven't a clue. Wasting away again in Margaritaville, searching for my last shaker of soul. Some people claim that there's a woman to blame, but I know it's nobody's fault. It's nobody's fault.